Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today, Throwback Thursday, episode 6. We're going back onto the Blackstone. We're going to cook another breakfast. This is a double sausage, double cheese egg muffin. Almost said McMuffin. It's way better than a McMuffin. Anyway, I did take the liberties and edited this Throwback Thursday video. It was a little long, and sometimes if I get bored with it, I'd imagine some other people will too. So I'm going to edit it just a little bit, shorten it up a little bit, and I hope you enjoy it. I remember making these. These are really, really, really good. You know, I mean, some Egg McMuffins and everything, they're small. I guess it's kind of like a little snack. This thing is a breakfast, right? Hope you enjoy it. Hey, I'm Kevin with Man Kitchen Recipes. Thanks for stopping by. This morning it is cold, it is windy, but we're going to make some double smashed sausage and egg McMuffins, or sausage and egg muffins on the Blackstone Grill. Well, let's get this going. Okay, so I've got 6 eggs, 6 English muffins, already buttered. Try to get everything prepared because once this gets going, it should go pretty fast. I have enough sausage balls for 6 sandwiches. One of them is going to be a single. I did not bring the cheese. I got to go get the cheese. But anyway, there you go. We're going to be using both domes today. We're going to be using our rack today. Using everything. So anyway, let's get this one rolling. All right, the first thing we're going to get going today is, I do believe I'm going to go ahead and get these eggs prepared. Got some spray butter. Get a nice coating in there. We do want our eggs broken without the shell. Okay. Oh, we're probably going to have to put those down. Forgot about that. Okay, let's give this a try. Get those eggs poached up a little bit. Let's take a look. Take those off. They're not quite cooked all the way through, but that's all right. We'll just give them a quick flip. Let that side cook up. I'm going to set these eggs over here. Since it is cold and windy, I'm going to cover these up. Let's see if we can do this again. You want these to go for probably 2 minutes with the water. Then a couple of minutes. Like dome. Move the rings. And we're just going to give them a quick flip. They're just about done all the way. I want to make sure they're done all the way. Just go about 30 seconds on this side. Let's get these over here on the tray. Cover them up. Get our sausage going. A little butter spray on there. And now we're going to smash them. That one there's a little small. It's okay. But we're ready to flip them. Get those cheese laid down. Okay, now these sausage patties are pretty thin, so they do cook up pretty fast. And then we're just going to stack them for our double. We're going to put these over on our tray. Okay. Let's get the rest of these done. Okay, that spatula got a little warm, so break out the smasher. Not sure if you can see or not, but these are all browning up pretty good on the edges. Almost all cooked all the way through almost, so we're going to give these a flip. Get the cheese on there. Okay, now we're going to stack them. And one single. Alright, get this cleaned off a tiny bit. And we'll get our muffins on here. Push down on them a little bit. Doesn't take long, does it? All right, now let's get one built. So we're going to put our egg on there, our double cheese patty, and a top. And there you go, the double smashed sausage McMuffin sandwich. Look at that. And that looked good. All right, I'm gonna get the rest of these finished. There you go. Look at that. So good. Okay, there you go. Cold, windy, double smashed sausage muffin, sausage and egg muffin. That's how I do it. They're amazing. You can make just regular old McMuffins, but I'm telling you, the double is the way to go. Just take a bite of that because I know it's gonna be good. So good. Extra good because there's cheese in between each patty, just like a double cheeseburger. This is a double sausage, cheese, and egg muffin. All right, man. Thanks for sticking with me out here in the cold. I hope you enjoyed this video. Come back, we've got more. See you on the next one.